ever had that annoying, fluttering sensation in your eyelid, wondering, why is my eye twitching? It's surprisingly common, and usually it's nothing to worry about. This involuntary spasm, medically known as myokymia, is often your body's way of telling you to slow down. One of the biggest culprits? Stress. When you're stressed, your muscles can tense up, leading to those little twitches. Next up, fatigue and lack of sleep. If you're not getting enough shut-eye, your nervous system can get a little out of whack, affecting how your eye muscles behave. Love your coffee or maybe an evening drink. Too much caffeine or alcohol can also be a trigger, as they act as stimulants or affect your body's nutrient absorption. And in our digital age, eye strain from staring at screens all day, or even dry eyes, can make your eyelids feel agitated and twitchy. Sometimes it's about what you're putting into your body. A minor nutritional imbalance, like a lack of magnesium or even allergies, can contribute to those spasms. So, what can you do? Get more sleep, reduce your stress with relaxation techniques, and maybe cut back on that extra cup of coffee or nightcap. Give your eyes a break from screens using the 20-20-20 rule, and try some lubricating eye drops if they feel dry. Most twitches go away on their own, but if it lasts for weeks, spreads to other parts of your face, completely closes your eye, or is accompanied by redness, pain, or discharge, it's time to see a doctor. For the vast majority, an eye twitch is just a gentle reminder from your body to take better care of yourself. Listen to it, and those annoying twitches should soon disappear. Subscribe for more fun facts.